So let's have a brief conversation about exponents. You might remember from class we were talking about this do now. 3 to the third power was 27. 3 to the second power, 9. The question is, what computation can I do to go from 27 to 9 in this context, right? Yes, subtraction of some sort would get us there, but that's not the kind of thing we're talking about. We're not talking about subtracting 18. We're talking about division and multiplication. And in this case, I'm dividing by 3. So with that in mind, let's find 3 to the first power. If we take 9 and we divide by 3, we get 3. Is 3 to the first power 3? It is. Good. So that should give us what 3 to the 0th power is, following that same pattern. 3 divided by 3, 1. Okay. This starts to get particularly interesting when we talk about negative powers. So if we keep going with this pattern, 3 to the negative first power equals 1 divided by 3, 1/3. 3 to the negative second power is 1/3 divided by 3, or 1/9. So 3 to the negative first can be thought of as 1 over 3 to the first. 3 to the negative second can be thought of as 1 over 3 squared. 3 to the negative third can be thought of as 1 over 3 to the third power. So then we might wonder, well, what would 1 over 3 to the negative second power be? Well, 3 to the negative second power is like 1 over 3 squared. So I can rewrite this as 1 over 3 squared. 1 divided by 1 over 3 squared can be rewritten as 1 divided by 1 over 3 squared. And when I do division with fractions, I flip and multiply by the reciprocal. So it's 1 times 3 squared over 1, which is really just 3 squared, which is just 9. So that's basically how you can derive and figure out, okay, here's what negative powers are. A common confusion is to have negative powers result in negative numbers. Negative powers do not produce negative numbers. Can we have negative numbers? Sure. If you have negative 5 to the negative second power, that's equal to negative 125. Okay? But that's not negative because of the negative second power. That's not negative because of this. That's negative because we apply this negative sign after we deal with this exponent.